I needed a place to do my crafts, and I decided to make a work desk with a backlight and a phone holder for future videos. The best craft is a thing made at no cost to it. Therefore, all the components of this desk will be helping hands, done in the previous video, remnants of building materials, wire, plastic and aluminum pipes, laminate, some radio electronics, lead strip, connector, AC-DC adapter 12 volts, some wire, printed parts, several days of printing. Let's do it. There is some laminate after renovation in the apartment. The laminate plate has a width of 19 centimeters. Thus, using the leftovers, I can assemble a square with a side of 38 centimeters. The thickness of the laminate is 8 millimeters. Let's use this information when designing the model. Then only waiting for 50 hours of printing. It's time to use plastic tube and helping hands. Install the connector and solder the wires to it. The next step of the project is a modeling of the next printed part. Now it's time to prepare the aluminum tubes. Now I have a desk and a roof structure, but there is no lighting. It's time to do it. I use a profile for the LED strip, which remained after the making of autonomous lighting in-house. It looks good. As you remember, I want to make videos about my crafts, so I need a phone holder for this desk. Let's model and print it.